Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you fix your Asus keyboard backlight not working. Before you try out any other fix to solve the issue, sometimes there is a configuration issue. All the feature cannot load while turning on a device. Hence, it is better to restart your device. You could use the hard restart as well. To do it, so close the applications currently opened on your device. Press and hold power button for 10 seconds straight away, and leave the button when you hear a clunk sound from the device. Wait for a minute or two, then single press the power button. Let's see the PC install all the service you may need in the backlight, in the keyboard backlight running. After which, what you could also do is you could run the keyboard troubleshooter on the Windows. Press on the Windows key to bring up the start menu. So over here, and then in the start menu, search for a keyboard troubleshooter. So type in that. So you want to go ahead and click on keyboard troubleshooter, after which you could go and make changes as well. So here you could go and make some changes, like however, if the issue persists on, then you could configure edge control and ATK package. So for that, you want to click open the file explorer icon from the taskbar. Now, despite of doing all of these procedure, if the issue still persists on, you could also update driver for your Asus keyboard. So for that, come to the Windows search box and then type in device manager. Open it up, and here you could locate keyboard and see whether that works or not. So here it is, keyboard. You could double click on it and then right click on the mouse and click on update driver. That should be able to help you out. These are some of the ways to fix the issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.